This 2025 Forest River Wildwood X-Lite Northwest 263BHXL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rock Springs, Wyoming, 82901 and is offered for sale by First Choice RVs. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 32 feet 1 inch in length and features Sleeps 10, Skylight, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, microwave, smoke detector, slide-out, stovetop burner, LP detector, refrigerator, and 61 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Forest River Wildwood X-Lite Northwest 263BHXL is 6,205 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to First Choice RVs.